Hey everyone, I'm Rajan Chaudhary from Manzil Institute. Today I will talk about cost of living in UK, cost of living for international students in the UK. First of all, I will talk about school expenses. The cost of living depends heavily on what part of UK will you be living in, along with how much you will socialize. Some of the basic elements for living as an international student in the UK are first of all, I will talk about accommodation on rent, on campus or off campus, and after that, groceries and foods, utilities like electricity, water, gas, internet, and your phone bills, text and reference books, and after that, airfare for traveling back to India, and other elements which may differ from person to person vary. And if I talk about your dining out, dining out and travel, how much you travel all depends upon you, and vacations, car rent and car insurance, cable TV and connection, internet. International students in the UK have to pay more tuition fee in comparison to the students from the UK or EU. The tuition fee varies according to different universities, courses, and city. For international students, fee starts with £10,000. If I talk about US dollar, 14,130, and go up to 38,000 pound or more for medical degrees. The average cost of studying in the UK is around 22,000 pound. US dollar is 31,000 and per year. And those who want to study in London needs to spend much higher. If I talk about living expenses as part of the new visa requirements, if you are an international student and studying in UK and border agency, it means UKBA requires you to have a budget at least of 1,265 pound per month to study in London. In addition to the tuition fees in the campus is outside of the London, require minimum budget of 1,015 per month as requested by the UKBA. On an average, you may need around 200 pound to 300 pound per week to live in or around London. So it's just an estimate, and the final cost will vary depending on your lifestyle, place of residence, and how much you socialize. If I talk about other essential costs, it will be costs of other essential items depend on one's lifestyle and the place you live. Like the average food bill for a week cost 50 pound. A meal at a restaurant costs around 15 pound to 25 pound, whereas a meal at a pub can cost around 8 pound to 12 pound. All depends upon you. All living cost depends upon you. How much your expenses are. Is it? So if you have any query regarding this video, you can share your query in the comment section. I will do my best to answer you as soon as possible. You can also share your profile on my WhatsApp number 99146 15605. I will tell you what is better for you, which course is better for you, which university is better for you, and what is better for you.